Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got EURUSD here, gold, we've got DXY, and so USDCAD, and then DXY, of course. Now, starting off with pound USD here, my anticipation looks like we might actually bull up a little bit, at least to 1.3281. That's more or less about 100 pips movement, maybe before rejecting from this region. So we've had something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern here around this region. So this is the neckline. So my anticipation is we'll break above here, we'll retest it properly, and then we retest this region, so 1.3285. Furthermore, we might reject from there back to these regions, or maybe start selling, or we might continue our bulls, break above this region and continue to do upside. Let me take this off for now. So basically this, either we reject from here or we break above this region and continue. Very similarly here on EURUSD, I'm looking to see price create a new high, retest this region and retest the regions of 1.1751. okay, and then basically because we've had this upward trend line broken and stuff like that, I think I'll be more interested in looking for sell opportunities if we have price below this region here. Most importantly, yeah, for now I think we might break above, create a new low which is a higher low, and then we can buy price to the regions of 1.1750. Let's see how that plays out. In gold, gold looks to be resuming a bullish sentiment. I would like to see a double bottom created here, something like this, and then we can continue to the upside. Quite simple analogy I'll be looking out for here on gold. This is basically what I'm looking out for here on gold. USDCAD, it looks like we've created a head and shoulder pattern here. We're rejecting this region. I would just like to see price create a new low, create a higher low, and then let's continue to retest 1.3895 and probably create new lows there. I'll only be interested in buys. We'll see price above this region here. Yeah. And lastly, DXY, we've seen an upward trend line broken. It looks to me like we want to retest this region here, and then we can start selling off to these regions here. So I'm looking to see price sell on DXY, so I'll be able to buy GU, EU, and also be able to sell USDCAD. Otherwise, if we see price above these regions, it means we've resumed to be bullish, which is possible. And once we get a bullish sentiment on DXY, means we might be selling all the way to the downside for both pound USD and EURUSD. Now that's that for the outlook. I'll see you guys for recap during the weekend. It's been a crazy market this past few weeks. I hope we back on beep this week, and ciao.